Thinking of a new credit card? Are you looking for a card that offers big rewards without a big annual fee? Let's talk about the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. This card is a powerhouse, especially if you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer, and it comes with features that make it a serious contender in the cashback world. First off, let's get right to the most compelling feature, the cashback. This card has a fantastic tiered reward system. If you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with an eligible service, you earn an impressive 2% unlimited cash back on all your everyday purchases. That's a huge bonus for a card with no annual fee. If you're not a Rogers customer, you still earn a respectable 1.5% unlimited cash back on everything. But here's where it gets even better. For all cardholders, you earn a massive 3% unlimited cash back on purchases made in US dollars. So if you're a cross-border shopper or just someone who travels south, this card is designed to save you money. Now, how do you redeem all that cash back? It's simple and flexible. You can redeem your rewards for a statement credit or apply them to specific purchases within the Rogers Bank app. But here's the best part for Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers: you get a 50% bonus on your cash back when you redeem it for eligible purchases with these services. That means your 2% cash back essentially becomes a 3% value, and your 3% US dollar cash back becomes a staggering 4.5% value. Talk about a loyalty reward. Beyond the cash back, this card comes loaded with premium benefits that are rare for a no annual fee card. We're talking about a suite of insurance coverages, including out-of-province/country emergency medical care, trip interruption, and trip cancellation insurance. This can save you thousands on travel insurance. You also get rental car collision and damage insurance, and extended warranty and purchase protection on your purchases. And for the frequent flyers, the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard comes with a complimentary membership to Mastercard Travel Pass, provided by Dragon Pass. This gives you access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, for a small per-visit fee. And if you're a Rogers mobile customer, you get 5 free roam-like home days every single year, a value of up to $80, helping you stay connected without the sticker shock of roaming fees. In a nutshell, the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard offers an incredible combination of high cash back, a fantastic redemption bonus for Rogers customers, and a surprisingly robust set of travel and purchase insurance benefits, all without a yearly fee. It's a card that truly rewards you for your everyday spending, especially if you're already part of the Rogers ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.